Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video, we will walk you through on how to convert image to Ghibli style. If you find this useful, please consider subscribing and liking the video. Open Play Store or App Store on your device. Search ChatGPT and install the application. Open the application and sign up if you don't already have an account. Start a conversation with the chatbot by uploading a picture you want to convert to Ghibli style. Then type in this prompt, convert to Ghibli style. Now wait while the AI processes the image and converts to Ghibli style. This may take a while to complete. Now it's complete and you can save it to your device gallery by clicking on the image. Now tap on the Save button to export to your device gallery. That is it for today, and thank you for watching. If this was helpful, please like the video and subscribe to the channel, and see you next time.